vegetables. Hey there kids! Welcome to our veggie adventure. Today, we're going to meet some super cool vegetables that are not only fun to eat but also help you stay healthy and strong. From the crunchy carrots to the mighty mushrooms, each veggie has its own special powers. So, are you ready to learn, laugh, and spell with us? Let's dive in and discover the amazing world of vegetables together. Hi kids! I'm Beetroot, B-E-E-T-R-O-O-T. Beetroot. Can you spell it with me? Beetroot. I'm as red as a ruby. You can use me to make your salads colorful and your juices sweet. Did you know that I can help improve your blood flow and keep your heart healthy? Hello there. I'm Beans, B-E-A-N-S. Beans. Can you spell it with me? Beans. I come in all sorts of colors and shapes, like green, black, and even kidney-shaped. I'm packed with protein to help you grow strong and fiber to keep your tummy happy. Hey kids! I'm broccoli, B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Broccoli. Can you spell it with me? Broccoli. I look like a little green tree. I'm full of vitamins that keep you healthy and strong, especially vitamin C, which helps your body fight off colds. You can enjoy me steamed, roasted, or even raw with your favorite dip. Hi friends! I'm carrots, C-A-R-R-O-T-S. Carrots. Can you spell it with me? Carrots. I'm crunchy and orange. I help you see better with my special vitamin A, and I'm great for your skin too. You can munch on me raw, dip me in hummus, or cook me to add sweetness to your meals. Hello kids! I'm mushrooms, M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M-S. Mushrooms. Can you spell it with me? Mushrooms. I come in different shapes and sizes. I add a yummy, earthy flavor to your dishes, and I'm full of important minerals like selenium, which keeps your body working well. You can find me on pizza, in soups, and even in salads. Hi there! I'm Cabbage, C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. Can you spell it with me? Cabbage. I have lots of green leaves. I'm great in salads and soups, keeping you healthy and strong with my vitamin K and C. I can be eaten raw, fermented into sauerkraut, or cooked into delicious dishes. Hello! I'm potatoes, P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S. Potatoes. Can you spell it with me? Potatoes. I can be mashed, baked, or fried. I'm a favorite at dinner tables around the world and give you lots of energy with my carbohydrates. You can also turn me into crispy chips or creamy potato salad. Hi kids! I'm Pumpkin, P-U-M-P-K-I-N. Pumpkin. Can you spell it with me? Pumpkin. I'm big, round, and orange. I'm perfect for pies and also fun for Halloween, where you can carve me into spooky faces. I'm also rich in vitamin A, which keeps your eyes healthy. Hey there! I'm Leeks, L-E-E-K-S. Leeks. Can you spell it with me? Leeks. I look like a giant green onion. I add a mild, sweet flavor to soups and stews, and I'm packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin K, which helps your blood clot. You can also use me in quiches and casseroles. Hello kids! I'm Cucumber, C-U-C-U-M-B-R. Cucumber. Can you spell it with me? Cucumber. I'm cool, green, and crunchy. I'm refreshing in salads and great for snacks, especially on a hot day. I'm also good for keeping you hydrated because I'm mostly water.